The PC is amazing for day-to-day use or for streaming. It works like a regular desktop. Generates almost no heat and is very quiet. It has plenty of USB ports and consumes very less power. Unboxing Intel NUC by Shukisoft.
Intel has today opened pre-orders for its new Intel NUC Mini PC. Featuring 6th Gen Intel Celeron processors and support for up to 8 GB of high-speed DDR3L RAM. You can get the memory you need to stream media, edit photos, or create projects. With 4 USB 3.0 ports, you can use a USB keyboard, mouse, and camera and still have room to charge your devices.
Intel HD graphics provide a brilliant 4K experience for home or the office. You can watch theater quality videos, or grab a game controller and answer the call of duty. You also have the performance you need to create content without having to wait as your video and images render. Intel HD Graphics 500. 1x HDMI 2.0 port with 4K at 60 Hz. 1x VGA port.
Integration Guide.
Safety information. Cautions catalog.
Regulatory informations.
VESA mount bracket and mounting hole support.
(19V, 65W wall mount AC/DC power adapter with multi-country AC plugs.
AC/DC power. Multi-country plugs. You can change which is suitable for your requirements.
Peripheral Connectivity. 4x SuperSpeed USB 3.0 ports. 2x additional high-speed USB 2.0 ports via internal header. Access your digital life out of the box with the latest Intel dual-band wireless AC 3168, Bluetooth 4.2, and Intel HD audio. Connect your Intel NUC to any device for rich visuals and stunning audio. This may be the easiest build ever. If you'd like a simple, bare-bones computer, Intel's NUC is worth a look.
Thank you for watching. If you have any feedback, please post it below and hit the like button. If you found this video useful. If you have time, please subscribe to my channel.